Before you write your very first line of Python code, there are two things you need to set up. The first thing is installing the Python interpreter. Your computer can't directly understand the Python code you write, so it needs an interpreter, basically a translator, to convert the code into bytecode before running it. Python works by translating one line and executing one line. So when we say installing Python, what we really mean is installing the interpreter itself. The second thing you need is a code editor. Just like we use Word to write documents, we also need a proper tool to write code. There are tons of editors out there, and the debate over which one is the best can easily start a war among programmers. I personally recommend PyCharm, made by JetBrains or JB, and it's designed specifically for Python. And PyCharm isn't just for writing code, it's actually an IDE, an integrated development environment. Besides smart features like code completion, auto-formatting, and spell checking, it also includes a debugger, version control tools, and more. But as a beginner, you don't need to learn everything at once. As you gain experience, you'll naturally start using more and more features. In the next two videos, I'll walk you through how to install both of these on Windows and macOS. See you soon.